Hello and welcome to my channel all about accountancy, where we convert your accounting problems into solutions. I am your host Professor Tanmaypvttutor, and today I am back with another episode of 60-Second Accountancy. 60-Second Accountancy is a series in which I share some of my tips and tricks which might help you to solve your accounting problems easily. Today's tip is an advanced tip. It is related to ratio analysis. Ratio analysis is a degree level chapter and it is taught only if you have the knowledge of preparing financial statements. It is because ratio analysis is the procedure which is to be conducted after the preparation of financial statements. So if you do not know how to prepare financial statements, you cannot conduct ratio analysis. In ratio analysis, there are several ratios which are expressed in different forms. So do you ever find it difficult to determine which ratio is expressed in which form? If you do, then today's video might help you. Today's tip is related to how to express a ratio. Ratios can be expressed either in pure form or percentage form or times form. The most common and basic ratios such as current ratio, quick ratio, debt equity ratio, etc. are expressed in the pure form. Pure form is written as 1:2, 2:4, 5:9, etc. Also, ratios like asset to sales ratio or debtor to creditor ratio or any such component X to component Y ratio are also expressed in pure form. Next comes the percentage form. All the ratios which are based on sales such as gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, operating cost ratio, etc. are expressed in percentage form. Ratios which calculate returns such as return on capital employed, return on shareholders' fund, etc. are also expressed in the percentage form only. Always remember, any ratio when multiplied by 100 becomes a percentage. And the last form is the times form. Always remember, T for times, T for turnover. Hence, all the turnover ratios such as debtor turnover ratio, creditor turnover ratio, stock turnover ratio, etc. are expressed in times form only. Times form is written as 2 times, 4 times, 6 times, etc. With that, we have come to the end of today's video. This tip might help you to remember how most of the ratios are expressed. Unfortunately, this video does not cover all the ratios, but 95% of the ratios are covered. I hope you have liked today's tip. If you have, then please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss a new video. If you have any queries or suggestions, you can use the comment box down below. I upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday. See you in my next video. Till then, this is Professor Tanmaypvttutor signing off. Good luck and take care.